unprecedented industrial, commercial, and residential boom over the last 3 decades that continues unabated. This rapid economic development and urbanization has led to the need for a planned and holistic upgradation of its infrastructure. One of the key infrastructural upgradations identified by the Government of India to improve the quality of life of NCR's residents is an investment in providing mobility solutions that will reduce dependence on roads and fossil fuel vehicles and help decongest Delhi. With this objective, the Government of India has joined hands with 4 state governments to incorporate NCRTC, that is, National Capital Region Transport Corporation. NCRTC's mandate is to design, construct, operate and maintain a rail-based regional rapid transit system to deliver seamless and integrated connectivity in the region, and in doing so, realize the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of progress through speed.
आधुनिक भारत के सपने को साकार करने के लिए सामान्य लोगों की ईज ऑफ लिविंग को बढ़ाने के लिए और विकास को स्थायित्व देने के लिए भारत में नेक्स्ट जनरेशन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अत्यंत आवश्यक है.
The NCRTC vision is improve quality of life of people by providing equitable, fast, reliable, safe, comfortable, efficient and sustainable mobility solutions, enabling the economic development of NCR. RRTS is an integral part of the Functional Transport Plan for NCR 2032, under which 8 RRTS corridors have been identified. The Planning Commission appointed task force has prioritized 3 corridors for implementation in Phase 1. Delhi-Meerut, Delhi-Alwar, Delhi-Panipat. These first 3 corridors will converge at Sarai Kale Khan station in Delhi. RRTS is a rail-based high-speed, high-frequency commuter network that will connect Delhi to key urban nodes in the neighboring states. RRTS stations will be seamlessly integrated with other transport modes such as airport, bus terminals, Indian railway stations and metro stations to facilitate smooth movement of commuters. Passengers traveling from any one of the 3 corridors will be able to travel to any of the other 2 corridors without the need to change the train. The average pier width of this high-speed train network will be just 3 meters, despite occupying a fraction of the space taken by a typical road. It will have a significantly higher passenger throughput capacity, making it not just a fast, but also an efficient and eco-friendly mode of transport. The RRTS trains will run mostly on elevated viaducts. In severely congested areas, the trains will run underground in specially constructed tunnels. In its commitment to the environment, NCRTC will adopt latest technology to maximize the use of clean energy and reduce carbon footprints. Each RRTS train station will offer a state-of-the-art, airport-like experience with 24/7 security, universal access, automated fare collection, ATMs, food courts, and much more to enhance the commuter's experience. RRTS trains will be designed to provide best-in-class comfort to all commuters. To ensure that the trains run safely and on time, even in poor weather and visibility conditions, RRTS will have an ETCS Level 2 signaling system operated through a centralized operation control center. RRTS will give commuters in NCR a fast, safe, reliable, and comfortable mode of transport that will not only decongest Delhi, but will also act as a catalyst to unlock the economic development of the national capital region. It will improve access to education, healthcare, employment, and quality of life like never before. NCRTC, creating a citizen-centric, eco-friendly mode of transport that is committed to deliver progress through speed.
Jakarta merupakan kota metropolitan yang memiliki banyak kesamaan dengan Seoul, Korea. Meskipun Jakarta memiliki karakteristik yang serupa dengan Seoul, perbedaan dalam kebijakan lalu lintasnya telah menghasilkan sistem lalu lintas yang berpusat di sekitar sistem transportasi darat yang menggunakan energi secara intensif dan lebih lambat. Dengan bagian yang secara signifikan lebih rendah dari transportasi umum bila dibandingkan dengan daerah metropolitan lainnya di dunia. Mari kita lihat visi alternatif masa depan Jakarta dan upaya dari pemerintah kotanya. Pertama, investasi yang stabil di bidang infrastruktur transportasi akan meningkatkan pangsa transportasi umum sampai 60% pada tahun 2029. Pengenalan sistem light rail transit di Jakarta akan menawarkan metode transportasi baru yang bisa mencakup hingga 3 kali lipat kapasitas total sistem bis yang ada saat ini. Dan juga menyediakan moda transportasi yang aman dan ramah lingkungan, rendah dari segi biaya sosial, dan menghadirkan tingkat kepuasan yang tinggi. Seoul, kota yang mirip dengan Jakarta, telah berinvestasi secara agresif pada sistem kereta bawah tanah metropolitan sejak tahun 1974 dan berhasil mengembangkan infrastruktur transportasi yang mampu mengatasi kemacetan transportasi. Sistem kereta bawah tanah metropolitan Seoul mengangkut lebih dari 2,5 miliar pengguna setiap tahunnya, baik secara terpisah maupun secara bersama-sama dengan sistem transportasi lainnya. LRT Jalur 1 Jakarta yang rencananya akan dioperasikan pada semester pertama tahun 2019 merupakan sistem rel kereta sepanjang 5,8 km yang menghubungkan area Kelapa Gading dan Velodrome. Jalur kereta ini dibangun dengan teknologi mutakhir Korea untuk menjamin keselamatan penumpang dan efisiensinya melalui kerjasama dengan berbagai perusahaan Indonesia. Terdapat rencana lanjutan untuk membangun jalur melingkar yang menghubungkan Velodrome dan Tanah Abang pada tahun 2022, serta Tanah Abang dan Kelapa Gading pada tahun 2023. Jalur melingkar merupakan metode tunggal dan paling optimal untuk mendistribusikan pengguna transportasi di beberapa area di pusat kota dan digunakan oleh sebagian besar kota utama di seluruh dunia, termasuk Seoul. Penyelesaian fase ketiga akan menciptakan pengembangan pesat di wilayah stasiun dan daerah sekitarnya, meningkatkan kualitas hidup penggunanya, dan mengurangi waktu transit di antara wilayah-wilayah utama di Jakarta dari 100 menit menjadi 17 menit bersamaan dengan metode transportasi lainnya, sehingga memperkuat status LRT Jakarta sebagai sistem transportasi yang paling efisien dan nyaman di Jakarta. Perkeretaapian Korea terus berkembang sejak pembukaan jalur Gyeongin pada tahun 1899. Khususnya, Korea memperoleh predikat teknologi kereta api kelas dunia melalui pembukaan Gyeongbu High Speed Rail pada tahun 2004. Dan dengan 21 jalur metro dengan total lebih dari 1.100 km, Korea telah membuktikan konstruksi, operasi, dan pemeliharaan di jalur kereta api perkotaan. Saat ini, kami memiliki teknologi kami sendiri di semua bidang teknik kereta api, termasuk trek dan pensinyalan. Melalui pertemuan antara kedua presiden dan MOU yang ditandatangani antara KRNA dan Jakpro, Korea bekerja sama dengan Indonesia untuk memanfaatkan teknologi kami guna mengurangi kemacetan lalu lintas di Jakarta. Teknologi LTER yang dikembangkan oleh Korea akan diterapkan dalam proyek LRT Jakarta, dan Indonesia segera akan memiliki teknologi rel independennya sendiri. Korea akan bekerja sama secara erat dengan Indonesia dengan memberikan pemindahan dan bantuan teknologi sehingga Korea dan Indonesia dapat menjadi mitra dalam berbagai proyek perkeretaapian di negara-negara ketiga. Melalui kerjasama yang erat dan berkelanjutan dengan Korea, Jakarta LRT akan menjadi Jakarta yang baru, kota yang lebih sehat, lebih hidup, lebih ramah lingkungan, dan lebih bahagia.
Without trains, people are forced to commute through buses or jeepneys longer due to heavy traffic congestion in Metro Manila. In order to win and outside Metro Manila, the Philippine government will build a north-south commuter railway project in addition to the existing commuter railways such as LRT-1, LRT-2, MRT line, and PNR line. The north-south commuter railway project will utilize the old right-of-way of the Philippine National Railways and aims to providing a safe, fast, and reliable rail transport system. The roadmap for transport infrastructure development for Metro Manila and its surrounding areas, Region 3 and Region 4A. The objective of this study is to formulate transportation infrastructure roadmap for sustainable development of Metro Manila and its surrounding areas. At present, Metro Manila is facing three major urban problems which are closely interrelated with each other. These are the traffic congestion, vulnerability to natural disasters, and lack of affordable housing. With a backdrop of these problems, the Dream Plan proposed in the Infrastructure Roadmap aims to achieve 5 no's for Mega Manila. No traffic congestion, no households living in high-hazard risk areas, no barrier for seamless mobility, no excessive transport cost burden for low-income groups, and no air pollution. The Dream Plan has proposed 2 flagship projects, namely the North-South Commuter Railway Project and Mega Manila Subway Project. Envisioned to have a route length of 37.9 kilometers, the North-South Commuter Railway Project composes northern section of the North-South Railway Project, which is the railway master plan encompassing the Luzon Island. The distance from Malolos to Tutuban is 38 kilometers. By taking the train, the fastest journey time going to Tutuban is 35 minutes at 64 kilometers per hour on average. By riding on a bus or jeepney, it will take almost 2 hours to reach Tutuban considering heavy traffic congestion on highways. The North-South Commuter Railway features an 8-car train that can accommodate up to 2,238 persons. The air-conditioned train will be made up of lightweight stainless steel that runs up to a maximum of 120 km per hour with a headway of 6 minutes in between trains. Faster transactions, more affordable operations, more efficient collection. Our transport solution makes these possible through an automatic fare collection or AFC. This will bring important benefits to the 1 million daily passengers using the rail lines, not only LRT Line 1, LRT Line 2, MRT 3, but also to the future NSCR. This AFC will remove the current inconvenience of buying separate tickets for separate lines. Disaster mitigation technologies from Japan, such as seismic design method, is applied to the North-South Commuter Railway Project to ensure the safety of railway structural facilities and passengers during major earthquakes, secure economical design, and provide aesthetic and slim cross-sections for structural components. The North-South Commuter Railway Project, costing $2,619.4 million, is estimated to generate a total economic benefits of $47,929 million over a span of 35 years, or an economic IRR of 20.5%. The economic benefits include significantly reduced travel time, fuel costs, and air pollution. From a financial perspective, The project is not only expected to be self-sustaining from fares, but it is also expected to generate a financial IRR of 9.4% in a span of 35 years. The North-South Commuter Railway project will also have a tremendous positive benefits of the environment by reducing the air pollution. Upon the start of the North-South Railway's operation in 2020, greenhouse gases from vehicles are expected to be reduced by 97,000 and up to 261,000 total bicarbonate per year by 2040. Faced with the urgent need to improve connectivity of the existing and the future railway lines in Manila and the increasing desire of its citizens for live, work, and play in their communities, a transit-oriented development will be embarked in the Tutuban Station area. Passengers will soon be able to easily transfer on foot from the North-South Commuter Railway project to LRT Line 2 and vice versa, and new urban residential and commercial developments will be built within this 20-hectare historic property. The Tutuban Station area will see a widening of key roads in Dagupan Street and others in its surrounding area in a property development which will feature a multi-story commercial complex integrated with the North-South Commuter Railway and LRT2, a public space with landmark facility and commercial complex surrounded by green space, and a mixed-use residential and commercial zone. The ground floor of the station will be utilized as jeepney boarding or alighting, and commercial area will contribute to mitigating the traffic congestion along Claro M. Recto Avenue, as well as to meet the demands of affected street vendors by the construction of LRT Line 2 station. Once North-South Commuter Railway project starts operation, greater opportunities open up to people. It would be more convenient and comfortable to students, employees, and businessmen to travel to Manila without hassles or delays, but also to easily access the burgeoning business and job opportunities in the country's capital. It will be the game changer. The North-South Commuter Railway project makes citizens more mobile. The North-South Commuter Railway project, building sustainable transport and better economy.